we're gonna do some nails for busy moms and busy girls.
It's Christmas.
Christmas. Okay, so we have gotten some nails in from some deals going on. I am wearing these. We've been on almost a week with these, so these are Red Aspen nails. They've been staying on almost a week. They should last me another good week, maybe a little more. So what I love about these is that we're super busy. I actually did these in the car, so I messed this one up. I don't even know. Can you tell? Like, I kind of messed it up because I put glue on it, but I was like, whatever. I did it in the car. It was really easy. It was in the passenger side. But we got some deals going on. I am putting in the description below if you are interested in grabbing some nails or some other tips and tricks, because what I like to share is stuff about your health and wellness, fitness, workouts, recipes that are going to be conducive to busy moms who work and have kids in sports. So that's what we're all about. Are y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do some unboxing.
Okay. If you guys want to unbox that one,
We can start it up. That's fine. You want to start it up or you want to wait?
I'll just wait.
Okay.
So then I can focus on my box.
Okay. So we did order,
White things?
I got white things! Yay! Yes, more pepper! I did order, for a friend of mine too, so that we could save on shipping. Shipping's $5, but, I had one person that wanted to order more than one thing, and we had some deals going on that was like 24-hour deals. So some of these are not ours, but a lot of them are ours. Yep. Jenna's. Lily wanted some of those. Yes.
These ones, I think. Wait, were these the other ones?
Yep, those are yours.
So
So
cute.
that's Elena. So Joyful Jenna is, I'm still kind of learning all the shapes and stuff, but these are a little bit shorter and like a coffin. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. Reliable Roslyn. These look so good on. So I love a good French tip. When I was going to the salon all the time, French tip is my go-to. And I love that I can put these on and they last me and they look really, really good. I always get compliments on my nails. What do you got? Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a little pink.
It's kind of close.
Annalise, this one is yours.
I know.
Oh.
Yowie.
Okay. Well, so this is called On Point Brighton. So this is a petite. So works with smaller hands and fingers.
You see it's smaller than these ones.
That's a petite?
No. I was just showing that this
I was
was
like,
smaller
what?
than these
Oh,
ones.
yeah. Yeah, so they're a little bit smaller. I learned a really cool trick with the coin to help people with sizing today. I think it was today.
Oh,
Maybe it was
the
yesterday.
quarter or penny trick or like.
Yeah, you know the trick?
Yeah. I've seen it online.
Oh, I've never seen it. That's really cute. So that's what we have in this one. So these, I think, are all ours. All right, do you want to open that? Alice, what are you doing, honey?
She's getting scissors.
Okay.
Here, wait. There's a pencil.
Oh, you can stab it.
Yeah.
Stab it. All right.
Like that.
Careful.
Stabbed myself.
More white stuff.
Guys, this is what we ordered in this box. Because why can't we just...
Oh, so pretty. Ooh. All righty then. Oh, so excited for those.
Can I see? So cute.
Yeah, so I got one for each of us of that one. So these are so cute. Santa Squad. So it's almost like a French tip with some of these. And then they have little snowflakes. They're so cute. What do you got there?
French tips.
Oh, yep, more French tips, but this is more of an almond shape.
What are these ones for?
All so you and Lily and I all got these. These are Santa Squad Dasher. So that's part of our holiday launch. Some more French tips because we love French tips. We love French tips. We love French
These
tips.
are really cute. It's like an ombre.
So this is for Macy. Ordered these. Those are so cute. That's Crafty Casey. So pretty. An ombre. And then we got some more Jenna's.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Oh, more French tips. We got lots of French tips.
Oh, those are pretty.
And then we got some dash tabs. So I got the little ones. There's some for bigger fingers, but I noticed, so I don't know, I gotta figure mine out. So for my hands, I have kind of short fingers that are kind of fat, and then I have really wide palms.
No.
But my nail beds are kind of wide, but also short. So I got the regular nail dash tabs. So these are basically like little little sticky stuff. So if you don't want to use the glue, if you wanted to do just like a day or a couple days or something like that, this is really good. So I got these for someone who changes her mind all the time. She wants the nails, and then basically 30 minutes later she wants them
It's
off.
because one time when I put them on, I had softball later that afternoon.
Yeah, but so I got these mainly for her, but also I kind of think they might fit my nails a little bit better than the other ones. But those are really handy to have as well.
Expire?
It says, I think that's when maybe they were made.
Oh, because that was January
Yeah.
this year.
Yeah, I don't really know why they would have a date on there unless it's, I don't know.
Yeah.
And we got a cute little
Pumpkin spice. Hello.
hello.
10 games.
From Red
It's so
Aspen. So
cute.
it's really cute.
Don't-
So those are our nails. What I love and maybe what I don't love about Red Aspen is there are always deals on these nails. So that can get me in trouble because I have a lot of nails. But also it's nice because you can, instead of going to the salon and spending $80 something plus your tip, you can get several boxes of these and have your nails done in a really quick amount of time. It's very affordable and they look really nice. It's really nice salon quality.
Yeah.
Nobody ever realizes that I have glue-ons, which is awesome. I never thought I'd be a glue-on girl because I was like, I looked down at it. I really did. I looked down at it, but just with how busy we are, and I love having my nails done, but I hate spending the time and I hate spending the money in a salon. So I tried these and they really, really work. So I'm really excited about them. Like I said, I will have some more information in the description below. I also am going to have, like, if you want to know about deals that are coming out, you can sign up in the link below for to get on my mailing list. And if you want some other stuff, like there's a spot in the mailing list for a message, so you can put in there nails, fitness, recipes, whatever it is that you're interested in. Or if you just want everything, you don't have to put anything in the message. Or if you just want to say hi and we can shout you out in the next video, then you can put that in the message. So make sure that you get some of this because that's the best part of the package.
It's on a deal too.